This Chinese fried rice is mind-blowing. It's all about bringing out the best in simple ingredients. It's a fantastic way you can use up your leftover rice to create a wholesome, flavorful meal in minutes. Guys, get ready to impress yourself and everyone around you with this comforting and adaptable dish. Now let's get cooking. Here we'll have some chicken thigh fillets washed and cut up already. So what you do is wash it thoroughly with some salt. Cut them up into smaller bites, into smaller pieces, just like so. Now let's season with some salt. A pinch, please. Next is half teaspoon of garlic powder and half teaspoon of ginger powder. Please, it mustn't be the powdered one. If you have ginger garlic paste, you can use it as well. Now introduce some oyster sauce, 1 full tablespoon of it, and give it a stir. Stir to well combine. No seasoning, please. The oyster sauce will serve the purpose, and I assure you it will come out very tasty. Okay? And please don't say you're not making this recipe because you can afford chicken. You can actually make it without chicken and it will come out very tasty and nice. So continue watching. Now let's set it aside and allow to marinate for some minutes or hours. Moving on, guys. Grab some eggs and a bowl and cracking some eggs. We're making use of 5 eggs. You are free to increase or decrease the number of your eggs, whichever one you prefer. Please be patient and watch till the end so you recreate yours, especially if you've not tried or tested Chinese fried rice before. Okay? Alright, go ahead and season with a pinch of salt, some black pepper, and whisk. This is another protein we'll be using in this recipe. Yes, do not skip it for anything. You can skip the chicken, but eggs? No. Alright guys, let's set it aside. Moving on to the next stage. In a dry pan, go in with your olive oil or vegetable oil. Once it is heated, pour in the whisked egg and stir continuously. We want it scrambled, so continuously stir. We want a tender scrambled egg, so do not fry for a long time, okay? And please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Ijoma. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, small chops and snacks, and more. If it sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family. Also, turn your notification bell so you receive an alert each time I post new video. Now it is time to fry the chicken. So in a pan, drizzle some olive oil and pour the marinated chicken, adjust it and allow to fry. Make sure to flip at some point. The goal is to fry until it is golden brown. Now it is looking like exactly what we want. Golden, juicy, and tender. It is tasty as well. Look at that, guys. Look at this sumptuous goodness. Alright, let's take it off the heat. Moving on to the next stage. In that same pan, drizzle in some olive oil and go in with your diced onions. Stir and allow to fry for a minute. Next ingredient is your mixed vegetables. Consists of sweet corn, carrot, and some peas, okay? If you noticed, we just added some chili here to give it some hotness. You can skip it if you do not want it, okay? Or reduce or increase, whichever one you prefer. Now fry for a minute or two and season with a teaspoon of garlic powder, ginger powder, pinch of salt, and half teaspoon seasoning. Stir and introduce your cooked rice or leftover rice, whichever one you have. Now let's introduce 2 tablespoonfuls of oyster sauce followed by soy sauce, okay? Reasonable amount of it. Do not do too much, okay? Next, drizzle some sesame oil. Go in with the fried chicken and the tender scrambled eggs to bring it all together. Also sprinkle some freshly chopped green onions to give it that essential aromatic finish. So now we go ahead and stir to well combine. Stir it so very well. Do not rush. Take your time. And if you have watched up until this point, it means one thing. You are enjoying the video. So please, you may consider liking it for others to see this video and subscribe if you haven't, okay? Thank you. Feel free to drop your question in the comment section. I promise I will answer ASAP. Now for some crunchiness, we're going to add some cabbage to it, okay? If you don't like it, you can skip it, but it is advisable you use it, okay? You will love it. All right, stir it in until it has this uniform look, okay? Please let me seize this medium to appreciate all my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, guys, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Please keep it up, okay? Thank you. Alright guys, our delicious mouth-watering Chinese fried rice is ready, guys. Look at this sumptuous goodness. Look at this. Guys, forget the takeout version. You can make the real deal right in your kitchen, okay? Just follow the steps and you're good to go. Yummy. So delicious, guys. Give it a go, okay? And also help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out as well. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. Thank you so much for joining me in creating this delicious, amazing recipe. Okay, now this is where it gets more interesting, because whatever that has beginning has ending, right? Reason why we made this food is to enjoy it, and here is the time. So dish it out with me, okay? And another thing, this is a must recipe to try. Yes, forget the takeout. You can do it. It tasted super good, delicious. Trying it will convince you. There's no point talking too much. Thank you so much. If you found it interesting, go ahead and like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? See you guys in my next one. Bye.